Okay, we're back again. And what I want to do, yeah, that's right. What I want to do now is actually do the testing, the test part. So I think the test function is actually done. The thing we need to do is loop through our cards and test ourselves on them. And we also need to write the database back out. Which is a restriction I said I would add just for the linear types thing. Yeah, sure. Print DB. Can we do a write DB? That should be easy, right? Yeah, so let's do a print DB. We'll just change this to write DB. And then we'll add a handle, I think. Idris 2. I don't think it's in prelude. It might be. This is primitive put, yeah, because I think it's system file or something. System file, yeah. Okay, maybe it's not system file, maybe it's system file handle, open, yeah. So file error or a file, okay, so, and then you give me a file. I'll do this. And I have to use the DB. Yeah. It'd be nice if I could thread my usage of DB through here. But that's fine, I'm not too worried about that. Anyway, so I'll write the DB and I'll give you the DB back. And instead of put string line, this is probably, it's a good question. Where is it? Where would this be? It wouldn't be here. Oh, I could do with file, that's interesting. I don't think that's what I want to do. I don't think I want, maybe read write. This is buffered stuff. Get line, and yeah, this is read write. So I want f put string line. This does it in IO. I think that's fine. I think I'm allowed to do that, right? So let's do f put string line handle. And then we can add the handle here. The good question is whether this overwrites. Like if I open a file and then do this from the given file handle. No, this is get char. It's not clear if that does it to the end or not. Oh, and what modes can I do? Right, I can do a write truncate. I'll open that again, which is probably how I want to do it. Actually, the DB has a name, right? Yeah, the DB has a name. I actually don't need to do this, so let's get that. And here, I guess we strictly want to res. How does res work? I think it's on res on a bool. And then I need to do a case res of, I think. And I keep forgetting I need to do that. Is that enough for the offside rule? Just one indent? Let's find out. So if we succeeded, No, this needs to be L use equals 1, I think. Yeah. Yeah, and maybe we need to be offside of the case. I'll test that. Yeah, so let's get rid of that. And so you can have your DB. Whoops, what have I done? Oh, okay. I don't know if that's enough. I may have to offside it there, which is kind of silly. Do I just want to do file error? Is that the only thing that can go wrong? File error, maybe, I guess. File error. Right, so I had to do it like that. Okay. But I kind of don't want to do it that way. So it's going to end up nesting a bunch of stuff. I would kind of like to do this. Oh, I am doing it in the linear monad. That's good. Linear IO monad. I'm still going to have to switch on the either here. And then I'll have to do it again. I wonder, yeah, okay, let's see what we can do. So let's get the name. I think we can do that. Oh, and then we have to extract the DB. Yeah, that's right. This is not very aesthetic. Okay, that's how it goes. So we're gonna get the cards from the DB, that's fine. And then we can start failing. So I think we're going to do, right. I think I have to do that. Oh, that looks real bad. Can I do this? Okay, set indent, no, set buffer indent width 2, set buffer tab stop. I think it's already 8, but we'll do 8 anyway. Does that work? Or will that just complain to me that it's whatever? We'll find out. Okay, so what I want to do, I guess I can make this a function. I'll probably do that. So what I want to do is I want this to be in the either monad. Oh no, but it's got to be in IO. Ah, yeah, that sucks. Okay, we'll have to do this differently. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get the file handle. So we're going to go handle. Well, yeah, I mean, it's not strictly the handle because it's in an either. But we're going to go handle open file write truncate P. Yeah, so we got write truncate. We may need to pull this in. Whoops, what have I done? So we have to, unless file re-exports it. Yeah, it looks like it does. Okay. So we probably don't need this. Yep, open file write truncate. Unfortunately, I think I need to switch on the handle. I'm not sure there's another way to do this other than just making more functions. Rather than doing this in this imperative way, just making more tiny little functions here. That's definitely plausible. So we could do a case. Well, okay, what either functions do we have? What do we have here? Data either? Is that a thing? Yeah, get, whatever. Is, compress. Yeah, sure, okay. Lefts, rights, partition, mirror, okay. Okay, might be in contrib, which I learned has some useful stuff. Data either? No data either. That's what I call data sad. Okay, it's not there. Alright, we'll just do it manually. That's how we roll. This is left. I guess we want to do this. And this should be false E. And this should be right handle. And this, yeah, right handle. So I guess I want to map. Yeah, I guess it's not just a traverse because I do want to map them to either's. Well, actually just to maybes. No, what do I want to do here? Because if I can only do a partial database right, what do I want to do? So I think I want to do a fold and accumulate it to a maybe. No, I want to accumulate it to an either. Is there a map if just here? Fuck, I don't know how to read that. Yeah, I don't think this is what I'm after. Okay, it doesn't have anything I'm after. That's fine. Let's carry on. So what we're going to do is kind of that, but let's start with this. Let's start with that. So I don't think that's correct because it will ignore. Yeah, I'm not sure that's going to compile, but we'll see if it does. And we need to print db. We want true db. I think we can do that. Or false E. Oh yeah, it has a show. That's what I like to see. So we're just gonna put string line problem writing out db, and then we're gonna go show E, and we should be able to close it, I think. Okay. No, that's fair.